I have a bunch of Seiko vintage chronographs here. Most of them I did a review, but some of them do stand out. So today I just picked these two. This is a Seiko Monaco. This is very collectible and sought after Seiko. I guess it's called Seiko Monaco because it's squared shape and reminds of Degler Monaco, and it's very cool. I love this watch, and it works on the wrist, very comfy as well. So I'm gonna show you. This one has a sized bracelet for the original owner, because I'm not the owner. These are not my watches. Just borrowed them to make videos for you guys. Most of the watches I borrowed to make a video because I could not possibly buy that much watches. I'm sure you understand that. It would be a lot. I'm a small channel, and I don't make a lot from these. So Seiko Monaco, very cool. I'm not the type of guy who's gonna bore you. I'm not the type of guy who's gonna bore you with reading history from Wikipedia and stuff like that, but I just wanna show you the watch because I genuinely like it. I like the bracelet, I like everything. The pressure fit case back is here on this one because it's not as sporty, and of course you cannot screw it in without small screws. Anyways, wonderful piece. And also Seiko Kakume. I don't know who gave the nickname of it and what's the origin of the nickname, but the blue color on this piece is absolutely killer. Imagine if this watch came out today, if it was re-released, it would be a blast. It would be a blast from the past, and it would fly off the shelves. Let me tell you this. It would be great. Of course, it wouldn't be cheap. The cheap part you can forget, because it's automatic chronograph, column wheel, vertical clutch, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, but just quick little bit wanted to show you. And also here's another cool blue dial Seiko. This one is not a Kakume, however, because it's not a Kakume, I think you can buy this cheaper. You can buy this way cheaper than Kakume. And speaking of white dials, here I have a version of Jump Player Special, but only in blue dial. And if you're wondering what's Jump Player Special Seiko, Jump Player Special Seiko as this guy, and this is a special guy. Very cool. It has a color combo from the Jump Player Special cigarette brand or whatnot. I'm not really sure. We don't get these here. So yeah, thank you guys. If you like watches, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.